channel, Rufeka with Radhika. Painful periods are also known as dysmenorrhea, refers to painful cramps occurring before or during the menstrual cycle. The symptoms include abdominal pain and pressure, hip and lower back pain, and inner thigh pain. This can happen to anyone during their period. If you are looking to ease out the pain of your menstrual cramps, try these acupressure points and make it as a routine. Do it every month to get relief from your menstrual cramps. The first point that we have is the LIV3 point. The LIV3 point is located on your foot between the first and your second toe, about the 3-finger width away from your toe web. LIV3 point is one of the most important point that is commonly used, and it is always combined with the LI4 point and helps in improve the blood circulation and also in the energy flow. Massaging this point gives an extra calming effect. Okay, the next point that we have is the LI4 point. This point is located between your thumb and your index finger. When you just press your thumb over your index finger, the bulge that is made, okay, the highest point on the bump is the LI4 point. LI4 point helps to smooth the muscle contraction, so which helps to ease out the menstrual cramp. The next point that we have is the spleen 6 point. This is one of the most important point for any lady issues, okay, the lady problems that we face. This point is located 4-finger width above your ankle bone, medial malleolus, on the inner side of your leg. Massaging this point affects all the 3 meridians, that is your spleen, kidney and your liver meridian, which has the direct influence of your reproductive system. Massaging this point helps to move the energy and the blood in the reproductive system, which helps to reduce the feeling of cramps and pain. The next point that we have is a SP8 point, which is also called the spleen 8 point, which is located on the spleen meridian, which means it is a great point for treating acute and sudden conditions. This point has one purpose: to help relieve acute pain and also painful menstruation. It is especially effective if you are having heavy period, clotted or irregular period. So massage this acute point. To identify this point, first you have to identify the SP9 point. To identify the SP9 point, you will have to run your thumb over your kneecap, on the side of your inner side of your kneecap. You will have a depression, okay, that depression is the SP9 point. And to identify the SP8 point, 4-finger width below your SP9 point. The next point that we have is on the lower abdomen area. We have 3 points on the lower abdomen area, that is the CV3 point, the CV4 point and ST29 point. These points are adjacent to each other. So to identify these points, you just have to first identify the CV4 point. The CV4 point is 4-finger width straight below your belly button. The next point is the ST29 point, which is on the either side of the CV4 point, which is 3-finger width on the either side of the CV4 point. The next point is the CV3 point, which is 5-finger width below your belly button, straight below your belly button. Identify these acute points below your belly button. Use your thumb or your index finger to massage this acute point in a circular motion. You can also use castor oil, apply castor oil, and you can keep hot compress over these acute points. This will help you to get relief from the menstrual cramp. Try massaging these points, and this will help you to get relief from all the pain that you go through during your menstrual cycle. I have also posted the video on PMS. You can also refer to that video and identify the acute points to overcome the emotional distress that you go through before your period. Try all these acupoints. This will definitely help you to get rid of any pain that you go through during your menstrual cycle. If you like my video, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and you have a great day. Bye.